Hello everyone, welcome to our new video on the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, or we can say things to know about Indian Civil Procedure Code. So first of all, we will start with the introduction. So let's begin. The Code of Civil Procedure is a set of rules that guide how civil cases are dealt with in India. It helps in resolving disputes fairly and efficiently by providing instruction and guideline for the court system. The CPC also covers various types of civil cases like property disputes, contract, family matters, and civil wrongs. It explains the role of court, the rights and responsibility of the people involved, and the steps to be followed in the stages of civil case. Its main goal is to ensure fairness, proper procedure, and access justice in civil lawsuits. We will have historical background of the CPC. During the British rule, there was a need for a unified legal system to administer justice in civil matters across the country. So, for that, the first procedure code was enacted in 1859. Over the years, the CPC has undergone several amendments and revision to adapt the changing legal landscape. Today, the CPC plays a vital role in shaping the civil justice system in India. It incorporates principles of fairness, due process, and protection of right to ensure equitable resolution of the civil disputes. The historical development of the CPC reflects the ongoing efforts to improve the civil justice system and upload the principal justice and equality in India. Now come to the meaning of CPC. The CPC is a legal framework that establishes the rules and procedure for conducting civil cases in India. It serves as a guide for courts, lawyers, and the parties involved in the civil litigation, ensuring a systematic and fair resolution of disputes. The CPC outlines the step by step process to be followed in India. Overall, the CPC ensured that civil cases are conducted in an orderly and fair manner, promoting access to justice, protecting the rights of all parties involved. It seeks to the balance and the interest of plaintiffs and defendants, maintain transparency in proceedings. In short, the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 is a uniform civil procedure code which was enacted by Imperial Justice Council India on 21st March 1908 and commenced on 1st January 1909. CPC extends to the whole of India. Total sections include 158 sections. Total orders 51 orders. Parts of CPC's 11 parts in the Indian Constitution. Now we will discuss nature of the procedure code. The nature of the civil procedure code is primarily about the rules and steps to be followed when dealing with the civil cases. It focuses on how things are done in court for these type of cases. The main goal is to ensure that everyone is treated fairly and has a chance to present their side of the story and provide evidence. The CPC is designed to make sure that the process is fair for everyone involved. In some simple terms, the nature of the CPC is about setting the guidelines of how civil cases are handled in court. It ensures fairness and provides a roadmap for how things should be done to resolve disputes in fair and orderly way. Now, the scope of Code of Civil Procedure. As this code is general procedure law, it does not contradict with the local or special law in force. In the event of any conflict between the civil code and the special law will prevail over the civil procedure code. In case of the local or general law is silent or any other matter, then the provision of the civil code procedure will be prevailed. Now the object of Code of the Civil Procedure. The main object of the Civil Procedure Code is to consolidate and amend the laws relating to the procedure and practices followed in the Civil Code of India. As such, it was the preamble of the code that it was enacted to consolidate and amend the laws relating to the procedure to be followed in the civil courts having civil jurisdiction in the India. The CPC regulates every action in civil courts and the parties till the execution of decree and the order. Now the last part of the video, conclusion. In conclusion, the Code of Civil Procedure Code is a set of rules and procedure that governs civil cases in India. It provides a framework for how civil disputes are handled in court, ensuring fairness and proper resolution. The CPC covers various aspects of civil litigation, including filing lawsuits, presenting evidence, conducting hearings, and enforcing court orders. Its main goal is to guide the process of civil cases and promote justice for all the parties involved.